Good evening. This is the National Weather Service in Sullivan with your Thursday evening weekend weather outlook. We are watching for the possibility of severe storms with heavy rainfall and flooding tomorrow night. This would be across all of southern Wisconsin for the severe weather threat, and south central and far southeast Wisconsin for the flooding threat. There is a good chance for damaging winds and large hail, and a few tornadoes are also possible. Flooding is a big concern with this event. The timing is Friday late afternoon through Saturday morning, with the core of the severe weather threat for Friday evening. Impacts are wind and hail damage along with flooding. A flash flood watch is in effect for parts of western and southern Wisconsin. These areas are shown highlighted in green. It is in effect from 4 p.m. Friday through 9 a.m. Saturday. Soils are very saturated from repeated rounds of storms and heavy rain over the past several days. Last night, these areas in southwest Wisconsin were hit very hard by heavy rain. Rivers are already running very high. Rainfall last night ranged from 2 to 4 inches across southwest Wisconsin. Over the past 2 weeks, these areas and also parts of southern Wisconsin have seen 4 to 6 inches, and some areas have seen upwards of 6 to 10 inches. So these areas in southwest Wisconsin are very susceptible to flooding if we get additional rainfall. Here's the severe weather outlook for Friday and Friday night. Areas in yellow show the areas of greatest risk for severe weather. Areas in green are still at risk, but a slightly lower risk. The areas in yellow show where isolated severe weather is possible. Thunderstorms will likely still be ongoing Saturday morning, and there still is a threat for severe weather. They will diminish Wednesday morning, but a few storms may redevelop Saturday afternoon. Here's the rainfall forecast for Friday and Saturday. Southern Wisconsin is expected to get 1 to 3 inches of rainfall, with the highest amounts across the southwest and far southern portion of the state. A few areas may get some higher amounts, maybe 4 to 5 inches. The good news is things will quiet down next week. There is a small chance for showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, but most areas will remain dry. Then, dry weather is expected for the early part of next week. It will also be cooler and less humid, starting on Monday. So, in summary, we are watching the potential for severe weather with heavy rain and flooding for Friday afternoon into the evening and through the overnight into the early morning hours on Saturday. Damaging wind, large hail, a few tornadoes, and flooding is something we're concerned with. So stay tuned to the National Weather Service as we continue to monitor this situation.